Hi guys, welcome back to Tink TV. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping in. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're just a new viewer altogether, just thank you all so much for tuning in. I just want to share this quick video with you guys, and I may be talking kind of fast because I'm kind of tired. You'll also see a change in scenery. I'm at my mom's house today, just sitting on her patio. But I just went to Walgreens, and they have a sale this week, the week of July the 28th through August the 3rd. The Bounty paper towels are $4.99 each, and I thought that was a great buy because that's even cheaper than Dollar General. Dollar General, I think they're $5.50 a pack. Now these are $4.99 a pack, and I don't have any points, unfortunately, but still, that's still a great buy without any points. Now, as I said, they were $4.99 a pack, and I did have a $2 coupon off. $2 off of a $15 purchase. So there you have it. $4.99, regular price $7.99, and then I had a $2 off of 15 purchase and also 25% off, which made my purchase $18.92. Also got 170 points. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This week at Walgreens, paper products, I thought that was a great deal. Now they also have Bounty here. The larger package is for $9.99, and you get a $5 bounce rewards. I didn't want to do that one. I just stuck with the smaller packs and got more packs. So there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in. My apologies for being so quick, and I may be talking kind of fast, but I'm ready to get home. So you guys go on out to Walgreens and get your paper products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.